This was one of our favorite yard sales of the season. They had some awesome stuff right off the bat. We pick up this tool set for us. We picked up quite a few things that we ended up keeping for ourselves. This family had older kids, so they let the kids run the yard sale and they did an amazing job. You'll see throughout, it was super organized, even down to the checkout process was so well done. The kids, however, were able to choose the price points that they wanted to sell their items at, which makes total sense, but the pricing was kind of all over the place. So you'll see us leave some really great items behind. It was just because it was priced a little higher than we wanted to spend. The profit margins weren't quite there for resale. If it was to pick up for personal use, it'd be more than a fair price and a great pickup. But you saw us put back that North Face backpack. They were just wanting a little bit more than we wanted to spend since we were hoping to pick these up for resale. And then you'll also see here Jeff is picking up a North Face puffer coat. And then he'll pick up that green coat as well. It is a Patagonia like shell. Super nice. They wanted $25 a piece for those, which again is more than fair if you're picking them up for yourself. But for resale, the profit margin wasn't quite where we wanted it to be.
And Grace is like, I'm gonna do it with her. Oh, gotcha. So I don't even have like a third of my stuff out. I just thought, yeah, I'll do a little bit. Well, I did know you knew what you could do. Yeah.
This one's really cool.
I mean, it's probably good.
Okay, I'll go into it.
Let's see. We just sold one like that for like $12, so.
But I would just keep this one for
Well, that's fine. Here, I'm gonna poke over here.
How did you do the first course last year? I didn't want it in the first place. I don't care.
Chelsea. So they have a pile of stuff up there for.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Doing good, thanks.
Whoops.
Oh.
Don't trip.
No.
I think I've done it a few times.
Oh, good. Makes me feel better that I'm not the only one. I just keep adding.
Oh yeah, go for it.
Awesome.
Yeah. And 3. Sweet. Alrighty.
I'm still deciding on this one.
Need help? You gotta go first.
We paid $10 for the Sony camera. It did not turn on, and we knew that when we were buying it, so we planned to sell it for parts only. But even for parts only, you can see it had some really great comps.
These are just a little too beat up.
I like the pink one too. Yeah. That's part of you, right?
Huh? It's good if you want to wear it. It's not good. It's not good to resell. No, you can put it back. It's not bad.
I saw those.
Yeah.
Nice stuff like over $100.
I don't know. Just don't mess with them. Pricing is really good, but
Those shoes are like the same as my shoes. They're just a little different and smaller.
yeah, I'm not paying 15 for them. Well, actually, lift up those shoes, those Nikes. Yeah, let's get these. Sorry, it keeps growing.
That's fine.
I don't know if I think it'll fit.
I too.
This was
So she.
blue sweatshirt.
Yeah, I mean Ryan's too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
It's great shape.
I'd say yeah, for 6.
Yeah, she has to
This
grow
was
it.
cute for 3.
Yeah.
I showed you those. That one's cool.
Yeah. No, looks great.
I'm gonna look at the t-shirts. It's super fascinating.
That's fine.
Had a few pairs of athletic leggings for $3 each. So we picked those up. I think we got 2 or 3 pairs of those. And we honestly probably could have stayed another hour or so picking through everything. They had so much stuff, lots of great brands, but our baby was kind of losing it. And that is okay. He had been a trooper, and we want the kids to enjoy yard selling. They love it right now, so we want to keep that momentum going. So we always try and call it quits when we can tell that they are kind of getting done. We found these 3 pairs of Nike shorts. They only wanted 50 cents each for those, so that was a great score.
No. Like, these have to be good, right?
These good.
No, we're not gonna do the $10.
Oh, they're $10.
Yeah.
yeah, no.
These are 4. Lots of tank.
Yeah. I think I'm good. We've
Too much.
I think so. There's pricing on everything.
Yes.
I think so. I think we're
You ready?
I think
Okay.
so.
Okay. Alrighty. You can also shout them out to me too.
Okay.
Alrighty. Yeah.
This is a good find right here.
Yeah, it is. You guys have good stuff.
Well, there's a lot of us doing it.
Yeah. Anybody have any old video game stuff laying around, like Game Boys
No, I
or
don't think so.
no?
This year, 25. Sorry. This stuff you're good on.
Is that Joy?
Bless you.
Thank you. Roll this all over here so I don't get confused.
So stuff you still got to ring up, right?
Yes.
I think
Okay,
so.
I'm gonna dump more.
Dump it all.
Okay. Oh, and then
Here, Mikey, you can read.
I'm a little scared. What's it gonna be?
All right, 156.
Oh, all right. We can live with that. I can just send it all here.
Yeah,
Okay. I said it went through.
great. Thank you so much.
Yep. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one, you guys.
Okay. You too.
Hello. Hey.
Last 2 yard sales were actually the first yard sales that we went to, but I showed you the big yard sale first because that was by far the most exciting yard sale.
How much are your shoes?
5.
5, okay. Oops. How about these guys?
Those are 10 because they're chacos.
Okay.
And I think they've been worn once. So you love when you buy stuff and then never wear it?
Right.
You spend like so much and then you're like,
Those would be considered 3/4 pants.
She wanted 60 for the Nikes, so we did end up putting those back, but we did grab the Chacos.
Well as like points, stuff like that.
Okay, how much are the t-shirts?
$1 each.
Great. We got 3 and then these 2 little guys.
This 3, 4, 14.
Awesome. Do you have Venmo?
I do. I actually love Venmo compared to the other neighbors.
Thank you.
yeah, of course.
Thanks.
Of course. Have a good day, guys.
You too. Okay, that's perfect. A doTERRA essential oils kit. These can be great to pick up if the price is right. Unfortunately, the price was a little too high for us, so we did end up leaving this one behind.
Oh, sorry.
Yes. Are they in the front room? Yeah. Thank you so much.
Cheers.
Yeah. Oh, pretty good.
Would you do 10 for both of them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you guys Venmo?
Yes.
Awesome.
You can use yours.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you said it just went through. Thank you guys.